Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career, your one-stop solution for all MBA and competitive exams. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions, part 7. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Who has created history by becoming the first Indian to be ranked world's number 1 in U21 in the latest ITTF ranking? So the correct answer is option D, which is Manav Thakkar. Mr. Manav Thakkar has created history by becoming the first Indian to be ranked world's number 1 in U21 in latest ITTF ranking. Question number 2. The municipal corporation of which city has launched a Go Green campaign? So the correct answer is option B, which is Bhubaneswar. The municipal corporation of Bhubaneswar has launched a Go Green campaign. Question number 3. According to the airlinerating.com, which is the safest airline in the world? So the correct answer is option B, which is Qantas Airways. Out of 385 airlines in surveys, Qantas was picked as the world's safest airline. It holds on to its number 1 position from 2020. Question number 4. S. Sundar has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of which bank? So the correct answer is C, which is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. The board of directors of Lakshmi Vilas Bank have appointed the former CFO S. Sundar as interim managing director and CEO of the bank with effect from January 1st, 2020. Question number 5. ISRO has signed a pact with Indian Institute of Astrophysics to establish an optical telescope under which project? So the correct answer is A, which is NATRA. Indian Space Research Organization has inked a pact with Indian Institute of Astrophysics to pave a way for collaboration in establishing optical telescope facilities under Project NATRA for tracking space objects. Question number 6. Which has become 5th railway station in the country to have navigation facilities for visually impaired? So the correct answer is C, which is Chandigarh Railway Station. Chandigarh Railway Station is 5th in the country to inaugurate navigation facilities for visually impaired. Navigation facilities for visually impaired was inaugurated in Chandigarh Railway Station in Punjab. It is the 5th in the countryside, first in North India to have these facilities for visually impaired. Question number 7. Mukhyamantri Karmachari Swasthya Bima Yojana has been launched by which state? So the correct answer is D, which is Madhya Pradesh. On January 5th, 2020, Madhya Pradesh State Cabinet led by its Chief Minister Kamal Nath has approved a Mukhyamantri Karmachari Swasthya Bima Yojana implementation from 1st April 2020 for the welfare of all 12.55 lakhs employees of the state. Question number 8. RevFin has partnered with which life insurance company to offer life insurance cover to customers? So the correct answer is option B, which is PNB MetLife India. On 2nd January 2020, RevFin, India's leading digital lending startup, has partnered with PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited on the top of 10 life insurance companies in India to provide protection to the customer through life cover on their loans. Question number 9. Who has won the 95th edition of prestigious Hastings International Chess Congress? So the correct answer is B, which is P. Mangesh Chandran. Mr. P. Mangesh Chandran won the title in the 95th edition of Hastings International Chess Congress in Hastings, England. He defeated Indian GM Deep Sengupta in the 8th round to win the title. He secured the first place with 7.5 points from 9 games. Question number 10. Uber has signed an agreement with which automobile company to develop electric air taxis? So the correct answer is option D, which is Hyundai. Uber has signed an agreement with Hyundai automobile company to develop electric air taxis. Question number 11. Common Service Center e-governance service has recently partnered with which bank for sale of FASTags? So the correct answer is B, which is Paytm Payments Bank. Common Service Center e-governance service has recently partnered with Paytm Payments Bank for sale of FASTags. Question number 12. What is the full form of IDRSS? So the correct answer is option A, which is Indian Data Relay Satellite System. The full form of IDRSS is Indian Data Relay Satellite System. Question number 13. Naseem Al-Bar is a naval exercise between India and which country? So the correct answer option D, which is Oman. Naseem Al-Bar is a naval exercise between the Indian Navy and the RNO, being conducted since 1993. Indian Navy ships Bees and Subhandra and Oman Navy ships RNOVAI Rashid and RNOV Kashab are participating in this exercise. Question number 14. The fifth edition of Asia Pacific Drosophila Research Conference was held in which city? So the correct answer is option B, which is Pune. The fifth edition of Asia Pacific Drosophila Research Conference held in Pune, Maharashtra. The conference is being conducted in India for the first time. It is organized by the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. Question number 15. According to a report by ICMR, sugar intake of India, in which city the sugar intake was the highest? So the correct answer is option C, which is Mumbai. According to the study, sugar intake was the highest in Mumbai. Mumbai reported 26.3 grams a day, followed by Ahmedabad at 25.9 a day. The other counterparts of the metropolitan cities that have high intake include Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.